Hello everyone. Welcome to the Ashoka University e-library. Today I will be demonstrating how to navigate and use your M-Library platform. Log in with your G Suite credentials. You will be prompted for signing in and giving permission to the M-Library app to access your profile and thereby land on your e-library homepage. On the homepage, you will be finding the universal search at the top. This will help you to search for all your resources configured on your library. You may type for specific keywords and click on search. The search results were segregated by tabs: cataloged content, research articles, and further content from Webopack configured on your library. You may click on the Read button to further read the content. You may also click on the Details tab to view the content details. You may click on the Favorite button to save the particular journal or ebook on the My Library section to later read them from the home page. Click on the Filter section to further refine your search results based on the several available filters like source, access type, content, etc. etc. Click on Apply to further apply all these filters on your search results. The source button on your home page will display a list of all the subscribed sources, as well as the open sources. Click on the Content button to view all your content based on their content types. The Explore section helps you to explore other content types like courses, individual e-resources, and view content by their subjects. The notification bell at the top will update you regarding any notification from your librarian. The left side panel of your library will help you to navigate better on your e-library. You can add notes on the Notes option. The Research Plus is the menu on which you can search for research articles. It is a federated search that will help you fetch articles from all the 20 default sources configured on your library. In case you want to select your own resources, you may select from the subscribed and open sources together with all sources and proceed to your search query. You can add additional advanced options on your queries and then click on search. The useful links icon takes you to all the important links that were added on your library by your librarian. The Off-Campus Access section lists all your subscribed sources that you can access directly and search for them. You can find the article request form under the More tab to request for specific articles with details for your research needs. This will send all the details to your librarian for further process. This was all about your e-library in brief. Don't forget to reach out to us or your librarian for queries or questions. Happy learning!